day, everyone. Welcome to the Guest List podcast. I'm Micah Jana Gil P. Pasqua, and today I'm with Jared Zaulda, Alex Fortuna, Precious, Roque, and lastly, Zenzu Kuo.
Solid, medyo nagulat lang ako nung binasa ko tong module. Akala ko kasi guess is guess lang, di ba?
Sinabi mo pa, akala natin customer is king. But actually, dito sa QSMR, Quality Service Management, we're actually part of the workforce.
Exactly. Like for our listeners na hindi familiar, we're talking about how guests aren't just passive receivers of service. We actually have roles na para bang unpaid interns tayo minsan.
para bang?
Right? Yeah.
True. Kaya today, hihimayin natin yung 8 roles of a guest based sa book. And let's start with the first one.
So, first on the list, guys, guests as supervisor, sorry. This means na the guest evaluates the quality of service. Sila yung mga mata ng management sa ground.
Parang pag binigyan tayo ng survey forms after natin kumain.
Yes, or even pag nireklamo mo yung service, technically, you're helping the manager i-monitor yung staffs nila. Jared, di ba may experience ka nito, di ba?
Tama. Last time nga nung nasa Jollibee kami, kasama ko yung ate ko and yung table namin hindi nalinis. So, pinatawag niya yung manager and pinalinis nila. So yun.
Effort ha? But wait, there's more. Guess as quasi-employees, this is when we literally do the work of staff members.
Sa airport din, di ba? Self-check-in and self-bag drop. Inabsorb natin yung trabaho ng ground crew.
Funny lang actually kasi we pay to do the work, pero in true, efficiency lang naman talaga.
Moving on. So, we have guests as unpaid consultants. Ito yung pag nagbibigay tayo ng suggestions to improve the business.
So, for example, sasabihin mo, sana may extra fan dito sa outdoor area kasi mainit and that's professional advice for free.
Sa mga small cafes na dagdagan yung mga sockets nila para sa mga nag-aaral.
And then, connected dyan ang guests as marketers. Z, di ba ikaw mahilig ka mag-TikTok, di ba?
Actually, di ba, pag nagbe-video tayo ng mga experiences natin sa hotel, kaya pinapost natin sa TikTok, o kaya sa IG, sa Facebook, parang tayo na rin nagmamarket ng business nila kasi like, mas naniniwala sila sa mga nakikita nilang experience kaysa dun sa mga ads talaga na ginawa ng business. Di ba?
So, true. So, ang tawag dyan ay customer-generated content. So, free advertisements for the hotels or restaurants.
The next one is interesting. Guests as part of each other experience.
Pag nasa cinema ka tapos may batang sumisigaw sa likod, nasisira yung experience mo. So, the guest behavior actually dictates the quality of service for others.
Or pag sa party or club, pag boring yung ibang guests, boring din yung gabi mo and we are part of the ambience.
Correct. If appreciative yung mga guests, syempre, mas magaganahan yung mga workers, yung mga employees na mag-give ng extra mile sa trabaho nila, kaya sa mga services nila. Sabi nga nila, motivation builds quality.
Well, co-production means the service cannot be finished without you. Like example, sa buffet or sanggipsal, kung hindi mo lulutuin yung meat or kukunin yung food, walang service. Like you co-create the meal.
It's a partnership. Hindi pwede si staff ang lahat.
Last two, guests as motivators. This is my favorite. Simple thank you or A good tip can make a waiter's day.
Correct. If appreciative yung mga guests, syempre, mas magaganahan yung mga workers, yung mga employees na mag-give ng extra mile sa trabaho nila, kaya sa mga services nila. Sabi nga nila, motivation builds quality.
And lastly, guests as trainers for other guests. Naranasan nyo na ba yung may tatanungin kayo na fellow guest kasi hindi nyo alam kung paano gamitin yung coffee machine sa hotel?
Yes, like most of the time, especially sa gym, minsan guest na yung nagtuturo sa mga first timer kung paano gamitin yung equipment.
So, we're like helping the management train their other customer, no? Ang galing, no? It's a whole ecosystem.
Hindi ko inakala na ganito yung karami yung ginawa natin as guests, di ba?
Wala, pagod tayo after magbakasyon. Dami nating trabaho.
But that's what makes quality service management work. It is a two-way street between the provider and us.
And that's wraps our podcast today. We hope na enjoy nyo ang aming chikahan style. And don't forget to be a good guest next time you check in. Bye everyone.